Hi, Dad.
Hello.
In my school, we have got a task that is Guru Paurnami interview questions. Today, I am asking you some questions.
Okay.
You should answer me.
Okay, you are taking the interview.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you missing your school?
Yeah, of course. I'm missing my school days because I was enjoyed something around 10 years in my school. So now those days are gone. So as a part of life, okay. So my school days are gone now.
Okay.
Yeah.
The second question is, are you missing your friends?
Yeah, of course. I'm really missing my friends actually because yeah, I do have many friends. Actually, I have studied something around 3 different schools in the 10 years. Okay, so I studied 3 different schools and I still have contact with them, but not frequently. But really, I'm missing my friends. Okay, so yeah, that's it.
Do you missing your teacher? Do you missing your teacher?
Yes, I miss my teachers actually. Yeah, of course, they are our gurus actually. Okay, yeah, I really miss my teachers.
Okay. Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Padma teacher actually. So I mean like she is not till 10th class. So I was studying one of the school actually. So till 5th class she is one of my teacher. She used to motivate more actually. That's why I like her.
Why is she your favorite teacher?
Why is she is my favorite teacher in the sense yeah actually she is having lots of trust on me from the childhood. So she used to like take care of me actually. Okay, so she used to hug me actually, and she whenever I was stuck in any problem, right, so she comes to me and she used to explain a lot. So at that moment I was felt very happy by seeing that answer and all. So I mean not all the teachers are like a great, so all are good teachers, but there are only few teachers are great teachers, which means like Padma teacher, right? So she used to come to me and she used to explain everything, then so that I can memorize the everything. So that's why I like that quality actually in her. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Why is she your favorite teacher?
Why she is my favorite teacher? Just now I told you, right? She
Yes.
used to care a lot actually. That's why she is my favorite teacher for the lifetime. So still, I remember actually whenever a teacher face comes, right, I'll see her actually in that.
Okay. What are the things that made you like so much happy?
So much happy in the teacher wise you're asking, right?
Yes.
Okay, so much happy in the sense the same answer again and again I'm giving actually. Why? Because the motivation is more actually. Okay, whenever you are motivated by anyone, right? Okay, so at that moment we will become more expert. Okay, yeah, it is.
Did you speak to her anytime?
Anytime in the sense not frequently. Whenever I use it to my hometown, so you know, right, we are staying in Hyderabad.
Yes.
But she is in our hometown, which is in Nizamabad actually. Yeah, so whenever I met her, right, definitely I'll say hello, I'll speak with her.
Did you get motivated to your teacher?
Yes, I get motivated. So initially I wanted to become a teacher actually by seeing all those things, but due to some other reasons, now I become a finally software engineer. But still I like teaching passion. Whenever someone, you know, right, how I teach you. Yeah.
Yes.
You like my teaching?
Yes, I like.
Yeah.
If you share some good experience memories in the school about teacher.
The best experience is normally how you have annual days, right? Okay, so recently you people had annual days in your Vignan, right? I mean 2 years ago, I mean before this corona pandemic. So like the same, we also having some like annual days. Okay, so at that moment we were having some separate classes for this dance classes and all. So she used to teach the dances and all those things. So that is one of the best experience. Actually, something around like 1 month we enjoyed a lot. Myself and my friends, and also teacher is teaching us how to dance and all those things. That was a wonderful experience in the childhood. So normally that was my first school day actually. I think it is in I don't remember the year. I think it will be something around 1990, I think. So at that moment she was like teaching us dance, and we are enjoying. Okay, we are learning and we are dancing, and finally we demoed also the dance on the stage. Yeah, that was one of the best experience.
Okay. Are you still contact with your teacher?
Contact in the sense not frequently I contact. I don't have the contact number first of all to contact her, but actually she is as I am from Nizamabad, she is also from Nizamabad, right? So whenever I see her, right, maybe on the roadside or else maybe in the functions, okay, when I see her, right, so definitely I will wish her hi. So like that I do have a contact, not the frequently.
Okay. Did you ever wish your teacher on any occasion?
Occasion, no. I told you, right, I don't have any specific contact number. It's been almost more than 15 years actually I am in Hyderabad. So only whenever I go to hometown in a family functions or any the normal functions, right, friends function, I used to meet her. But apart from that, not frequently. But actually it is good to meet them. But I mean it is not happening.
Do you want to tell for your teachers about Guru Purnima?
Yeah, definitely if I get a chance. Okay, so yeah, definitely if I get a chance, definitely I'll try to meet them.
Okay. Okay. Have you used to celebrate Guru Purnima in your school days?
In the school days, Guru Purnima, it's not like a really great actually. Those days, right? So normally we used to go to the school and come back to the home, but normally we do not used to celebrate like how you people are doing. You people are really lucky people. You people are celebrating Guru Purnima and Vasanta Panchami and all these things. We were having only two things, which is 15th August and also this 26th January. Apart from these two, we are not used to celebrate anything, but very rarely, I mean, we used to celebrate. That's it.
How do you think is the role of your teacher related in your special life?
Yeah, the impact is always more about the teacher on each and every student, not only me actually. If you take you or mommy, okay, whoever it is, okay, the impact is more on each and every student. Why? Because as the teachers are good, that's the reason we are now in a good path actually. So if the really teachers are not teaching well, okay, we will be in somewhere actually. So that's the reason I'm telling you, right. So every teacher in your life, right, okay, they are really important, and how they told us, and how they always teach us, okay, teaching in the sense like they always giving some knowledge to us, some gnan to us actually. It's not like that they are just coming and going actually. So they always teach us. So those things are coming to our ear and we are storing in our memory, and we are implementing them on our real life. So that's the reason. So teacher is one of the best guru. Okay, so I can tell that mother and father are our real producers, how we call. Okay, at the same time teacher is our real guru. Okay, those people will tell us what is good and what is bad than our parents. Okay, so that's why you have to start following the teacher. Okay, Yeah, you are asking too many questions so far.
Yes.
Okay, now I have one question.
Okay, you can ask.
Okay, who is your favorite teacher then? You are asking me, right? Who is your favorite teacher and why you like? Okay, from the almost you have something 10, 12 questions you ask.
Yes.
Now tell me, who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Deena teacher. She's
Okay.
one Telugu teacher because the Telugu teacher will tell some nicely. I can understand properly.
Okay,
For that, I like my Telugu teacher. And
Okay.
once she will call me and say to explain and
Okay.
do you have understand like that.
okay.
My Telugu teacher will ask. And
Mhm.
another means
Which means she is caring more.
yes.
Okay, and
And
you?
I like English teacher also
Okay.
because when I am childhood from nursery I like English
Okay.
because when I have got the English
Okay.
from that days I have improved the English. My mother and father tell me
Okay.
from that I like the English so much.
Okay.
And otherwise I like so many subjects.
So,
I
but you
like
like
all-
more Telugu and English.
Yes.
Okay.
But thank you, Daddy, for for
Giving this
giving this
opportunity, right?
opportunity.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, I understand what you are telling. Yeah, it was a pleasure actually, even for me also. So this is I can tell this is another I mean, like a first time I have interviewed by with my daughter. Okay, I'm really
Okay.
feeling so much happy. Okay, for giving this interview to my daughter especially. Okay, I never forget this day, and I really like this what do you call initiation from the Vignan school actually. Okay, so I really like a lot. Why? Because now I mean normally this won't happen actually. As you have given this task to my daughter, she comes to me, and now I got an opportunity to explain about my school life, my school friends, and about my school and about my teacher, how it has impacted on my life, all these things. So I really thanks to the Vignan and especially to my loving daughter for asking all these questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, teachers, for giving me this task. I have understood how when my mother and father how they will go school and how they will be in the school. Okay, thank you, teachers, for a lot for giving me this task.